Hey y'all, welcome to day 4 at home. You're on your teacher model and your question says, Emily played softball all weekend. She was wondering the difference in time between the shortest game, which was game 3, and the longest game, which was game 5. Can you help her figure it out? So far I already have a setup. We're trying to find the difference. In game 3, if you look at the table on your chart, it says 1 hour and 8 minutes. And then game 5 is an hour and a half, or 1 and 5/10 hours. So when I think about what I need to do to solve this problem, I already know if I'm looking for the difference that I should be subtracting these two things. But before we can do anything, they have to have the same measurement. So these hours work out great, but this 8 minutes kind of throws everything off. So it's going to just be easier to take everything and convert it into minutes so that both of these numbers are the same. So if you're looking at your notes from earlier, I know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So now we're going to use that bit of knowledge to turn both of these games into straight minutes before we subtract. So I'm going to start with game 3. I'm going to put G3 for game 3. It is 1 hour and 8 minutes. Well, I know 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes plus 8 additional minutes. So 60 plus 8 is 68 minutes that she played for game 3. We're going to do the same thing for game 5. So I'm going to put G5 for game 5. 1, well, I know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, but then half an hour. Well, if 1 hour is 60, what would half of 60 be? So 60 divided by 2 would be 30 minutes. 60 plus 30 equals 90 minutes total. Now I can find the difference by subtracting. So when we subtract, 90 minutes is larger would be on top. And I am subtracting 68 minutes. 0 minus 8, if I don't have anything, I can't give it to you. So I have to regroup, and the 9 becomes an 8 so that I can move 10 over. So now what is 10 minus 8 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. So there was 22 minutes difference between her two games.